Think that little black spot on your wall is harmless? Think again. Mold can damage your home, ruin your belongings, and affect your health.
This is where it starts.
That's why bathrooms, basements, attics, crawl spaces, and areas around plumbing are common problem areas.
Here are some warning signs homeowners often miss. Musty odors, peeling paint, water stains, condensation on windows, and dark spots around vents, baseboards, and under sinks.
Mold needs 3 things to grow: moisture, food, and time. Drywall, wood, dust, and cardboard all provide food. Add a leak, high humidity, or poor ventilation, and mold can begin growing within 24 to 48 hours.
If you notice these signs, don't ignore them. Mold usually means moisture is present somewhere.
One mistake I see all the time is people reaching for bleach. Bleach may lighten the stain, but it often doesn't penetrate porous materials like drywall or wood. That's why mold can come right back.
Now, if you're dealing with a small amount of surface mold, think shower grout, window frames, or other non-porous surfaces, there are a few homemade remedies that can help. Plain white vinegar is one of my favorites. Spray it directly on the mold, let it sit for about an hour, then scrub and wipe the surface clean.
Baking soda mixed with water can also help remove mold and deodorize the area. Hydrogen peroxide can be effective on certain hard surfaces as well. But remember, these methods only work for small surface problems. The biggest mistake I see is people painting over mold. That doesn't solve the problem, it only hides it. Another mistake is cleaning the visible mold without fixing the moisture source. And just because you can't see mold doesn't mean it isn't there. Mold often grows behind walls, beneath flooring, and inside attics. Here's how you can protect your home. Fix leaks immediately before moisture has a chance to spread. Keep indoor humidity below 50% to discourage mold growth. Use bathroom and kitchen exhaust fans to remove excess moisture from the air. Make sure basements and crawl spaces stay dry and well ventilated. If materials become wet, dry them within 24 to 48 hours. Remember, prevention is always cheaper than remediation. If the affected area is large, keeps returning, or you've had flooding or hidden water damage, it's time to call a professional. A proper inspection identifies the moisture source and determines how far the contamination has spread. Solving mold isn't about spraying chemicals. It's about removing the conditions that allow mold to grow.
Remember, mold is a moisture problem first and a mold problem second. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe, and leave your mold questions in the comments.